I'm Dean Daly of MobileSyrup, and with these glasses, I'm recording you. So Facebook and Ray-Ban got together to launch these pretty cool smart glasses, the Ray-Ban Stories. I spent the past week with these bad boys to try and figure out if you can or should replace them with any of your other gadgets. Facebook lent me the sunglasses version, but they also come in clear, prescription, and transition. I would have totally gotten the transition lenses so I could get the best of both worlds, but that wasn't up to me. As you can see, they look like regular sunglasses, and I'm a fan of the Wayfarer styling. However, because they look like regular sunglasses, it's a bit creepy since they can take pictures and videos. Above each lens is a 5-megapixel sensor that can shoot pictures or take 30-second clips. I found that I end up taking a lot more pictures than videos, but that's just because I'm someone who prefers to take pictures over videos. Now you're probably worried about security and privacy. Well, Facebook and Ray-Ban considered that, and each time you take a picture, a LED appears next to the lens. But if you're outside, it's pretty hard to notice, and people will probably just think it's glare from the sun. Now, if you don't want to be a creep and you're fine with just being a weirdo instead, you can also say, "Hey Facebook, take a picture." Hey Facebook, take a picture.
What?
Or, "Hey Facebook, take a video." However, it's just easier to press the button. I was at a drag show this weekend, and don't worry, it was public and photography was allowed, and I got some pretty good shots of the queens. But they had no clue. I honestly felt like 007 being able to take a picture without having to take out my phone, and it really kept me in the moment. Still, however, it kind of felt like an invasion of privacy, and it does make a shutter sound to notify people you're taking a picture, but if there's music going on around or if it's just very loud, it's really easy to miss. I found while I was in the moment and at the drag show, and I guess this goes for anyone who's making content, the glasses really help to keep you stay in the moment and sort of a good replacement for a phone or camera. Once you've taken your creepy pictures, they then get uploaded to your phone's Facebook View app, where you can import them to your gallery or upload them to your social media. This app connects to your Facebook, but I'm told it's also very secure and it's only accessible by the owner. You can also use the glasses to listen to music and take phones over Bluetooth. And personally, I found this wasn't a great option for me since people are around, they can hear what you're listening to. And it's a little awkward, especially if you're the guy who has music blaring on the bus. If you like your music at relatively low volume, this might be a better option for you though. The glasses also have about 6 hours of battery life and you can charge them with a case. This is decent, but if you're planning on using them all day, you'll have to put them in the case like a pair of wireless headphones. Facebook and Ray-Ban say that the target market is for those who don't want to trade off style while dealing with technology. And I can see that. They're stylish, and I really didn't need to take out my phone to take out pictures. They weren't the most detailed pictures, and were kind of selfie camera level, but the quality was good enough for Instagram or Facebook. Also, if you want to take a shot that's not from a first person's POV, it means you're going to have to contort yourself in weird ways and try to move the glasses. And because of that, they can't really replace a phone or really a Bluetooth headset because even when you're taking calls, it can be awkward because people can probably hear you if they're close enough. I guess they can replace the regular glasses, but since they start at $369 Canadian and get more expensive when you add a prescription or transition lens, it might be a tough sell for most people. Also, having a camera on your face at all times with regular glasses is probably gonna weird some people out. So these Ray-Ban Stories can't really replace any of your other gadgets, but they look hella cool and I totally feel like a badass buy with them on. And honestly, I really did enjoy them. I took some candid shots with my friends, took some shots on the fly, some quick cars zooming by, and they were just really fun to use. If you have a $369 hole in your pocket and just want to spend your money on some cool, badass glasses, why not? Anyways, I'm Dean Daly with MobileSyrup, and you can reach me on Twitter with any of your questions at @TheDailyDean, and make sure to follow me on MobileSyrup for all kinds of other tech news. Thanks for watching.